Okay, and you'll just add a little bit of the Elmer's to the back of your eye, and then if you don't have this kind of eye, you can use paint, black and white, to create your eyes like I did in this particular example right here. Okay, so once you're done with your hat, then you'll also want to add the lips. I'll just do that right here. And you can add like a heart shape to the mouth. And what I'm gonna do is you're going to glue, now this is where the hot glue comes in, the hat to the top part of the head. And you're just going to glue the bottom center. So for this, I'm gonna use a glue gun, but if you don't have a glue gun, you can use Elmer's glue or tacky glue and just let it sit for a while to set. So I need to add a little bit more to this. The glue gun is for heavy duty objects that need a little bit more strength. And then you can add your hat after you've done your details, after you're done with all the design, and then just glue that down to the top part. And you can hold it down. Now, to add the hairs, what I've done is I've glued on the back, right on the sides of each eye. I've added a little bit of glue and I've used some yarn. And you can use string, you can use any kind of material that would look like hair. You can even use strips of ribbon, which would be fine. Just get creative. And I added a little popcorn seed to the tip of the nose for like a little wart. So after you're done, you're going to add your hair. I'm just going to move this to the side. And then you will need your costume. Just move your paints, make sure they're capped properly. And you're going to, so for the costume, what I've also done is I've used the gold metallic, and I've added a waistband and a little detail around the wrist and under the arms, and to add some lines for some flow in the fabric. And you can just simply make sure it's dry before you do that, and you can kind of add a little bit of, some lines to create some folds in the fabric. You can also do that right here, right at the wrist area. You can just do some light lines with your metallic marker that you used. And now, I've forged a stick, and like I said, this I found from my planter. So you're going to kind of stick this stick in between these 4 pods on the back of your egg carton. And then you're going to glue it. You want to make sure that you've added the detail, you've added the stick behind it. You're going to glue the top and bottom section, and then you can add your stick just slightly up higher to give it a little bit of strength above the top part of the carton, right? And there you'll start to see it coming together. And then what you'll do with your costume is you'll do the same thing, but you want to see where it is down the center of the dress. And then with your glue, you can use tacky glue, or you can use the glue gun. Make sure that you get help. And then you're just going to make sure that you do this upside down. And then make sure that you line it up. Don't touch the glue. Line it up on the stick. Now if you're doing like an Elmer's or tacky glue, you can just make sure that you can hold it down for a few minutes. And there you've got your spooky witch that you've created, like a puppet. Okay, thanks so much. Bye-bye.